If you've got a dog that actually does struggle a little bit, I've got a little tip for you. Now, I don't know about you, but have you got a dog that's a little bit scared of the storm outside? Because my dogs are actually pretty good, but that storm is pretty potent, and we've had lots of sounds of wheelie bins getting knocked over, lots of banging stuff. The wind is whipping up like you wouldn't believe, and I've not stopped hearing sirens. So these are a couple of oils I quite like using: frankincense and fennel. They are very, very good for calming and soothing, and this is going to be a great little one to diffuse for your dogs. It's also going to smell really nice. It's great for helping you focus. I'm on an online conference this evening, so I've got to stay focused, I can tell you. But it's a quite nice little combination for you to diffuse to help support everything. So always use a water-based diffuser, because you want to diffuse a constant level of aroma, and you don't want too much for your doglets or your cats because it's too overwhelming for them. Remember, dogs have about 200 to 300 million scent receptors. We have 5 to 6 million. They can smell this. So all you do is pop a couple of drops of each in your diffuser, set it to go, and you are ready. If you would like to learn more about using essential oils for yourself or your pets, drop EO in the comments and I will send you my free class and give you some tips about how to get started. I offer a whole host of different members benefits, from essential oils for pets course to healthy habits course, metabolic health courses, recipes, bespoke plans, you name it. So if you'd like to join my team and find out how I can help you step into wellness, then get in touch.